Patio surface cracking near door thresholds is super common but totally avoidable if you know what to do. So, if your patio is cracking near the door, first off, check if the sub-base is solid because a weak base is like asking for cracks. Next, make sure the joint areas between the patio and the door frame are sealed properly. Water sneaking in there can mess things up fast. You want to use a good quality, flexible sealant that moves with the house instead of cracking. Also, don't forget to slope the patio surface slightly away from the door so water doesn't pool near those joints. When you're laying down the concrete or pavers, compact the sub-base really well to prevent settling later on. Keep an eye out for any gaps forming in the joints and reseal them yearly to avoid moisture damage. If you catch cracks early, patch them quickly with the right filler to stop them from spreading. Just taking these few steps can save you from expensive repairs down the road. One of the biggest issues causing patio surface cracking near door thresholds is poor sub-base compaction. If it's loose or uneven, the patio shifts and cracks form. Fix this by fully compacting and leveling the base before installation. Another common mistake is using the wrong type of sealant or skipping sealing altogether, which lets water seep in and freeze-thaw cycles cause cracks. Always use a flexible exterior-grade sealant designed for patios. The third problem is bad drainage, where water pools near the door threshold, putting pressure on the patio edges. Make sure your patio slopes away from the house and consider installing drainage channels if needed. BigHomeProjects.com makes it easy for homeowners to connect with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff when it comes to patios and home repairs. For contractors, it's a great way to find new jobs and grow their business by reaching people who need reliable help nearby.